everyone, and welcome to Healthy Recipes with Rachel, registered dietitian at Texas Health Southlake. The recipe I'm going to do today comes from one of my favorite meal planning apps, Meal Lime. This app is a game changer. You can customize your eating preferences, select how many meals you want to cook for the week, and effortlessly create a grocery list that you can either use yourself or send out for delivery. This app also includes a list of items needed to prepare each meal and step-by-step instructions. For today's recipe, I am making roasted zucchini tuna melts. All right, everyone, let's start by preheating your oven to about 450 degrees. Wash and dry the zucchini, cut in half, and scoop out the center. I would save the center in a bowl for later because we'll be using that later on. Zucchini is actually probably one of my favorite vegetables to work with. And actually, fun fact, it's botanically classified as a fruit, not a vegetable. However, we all know zucchini to be a vegetable. Zucchini is also packed with antioxidants, primarily in the skin, so don't forget to eat your skins. And because they're super rich in fiber, they contribute to blood sugar control and good gut health. So they are definitely a staple for me in my recipes. After drizzling a little bit of olive oil onto the zucchini, we will salt and pepper to taste. From there, you can go ahead and put it inside the oven and bake until tender when pierced with a fork for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so while that bakes, we'll go ahead and make our mixture. I am adding celery to the zucchini center, some minced garlic. I have onions, lemon juice. Today I'm using solid white albacore tuna. You can use whatever your family's preference is. I've added some salt and pepper, dill, some olive oil to our mixture. From there, we'll go ahead and scoop it into the center of the cooked zucchini. So tuna is a good source of protein. It's also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. So those are fatty acids that have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Okay, so we're going to get our Parmesan cheese out and grate about a half a cup over the zucchini boats, putting it back into the oven and cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is brown. So there it is, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I want to challenge each one of you to break away from your comfort zone and pick out a new recipe a week to try. If you have any questions or are interested in meeting with a registered dietitian, we offer outpatient nutrition counseling at Texas Health Southlake and would love to help you meet your nutritional needs and health goals. Thank you, everyone, and tune in next week for a new healthy recipe with Rachel video.